Good evening, everyone. We will start with a grammar topic today, and that grammar topic is simple compound complex, also called synthesis of sentences. Also called synthesis of sentences. Now, to understand this topic, we got to understand a little concept of verbs called the finite verbs and the non finite verbs. So, I request all of you to first write to me in the chat, look at the sentence, and tell me in the chat what verbs do you see in the sentence? What verbs do you see in the sentence? Okay. So I can see there are three verbs over here: becoming, started, and to take. Now, there is a concept of finite verbs and non finite verbs. Okay. And with this concept, we are supposed to figure out of these verbs which ones are finite or which ones are non finite. Okay. So there's a method to do it. Whenever there is a subject before the verb, when I say subject, I mean to say a noun or a pronoun. Noun or a pronoun यानी कि नाम या तो कोई pronoun. Okay? तो जब भी आपके verb के पहले कोई भी आपको noun या pronoun दिखता है जिसको हम subject बोलते हैं तो वो finite verb होता है. Okay? एक और तरीका ये होता है जो verb टेंस दिखाता है आपको. टेंस मतलब प्रेजेंट पास्ट फ्यूचर. प्रेजेंट पास्ट फ्यूचर टेंस जो दिखाता है वो फाइनाइट वर्ब होता है. बाकी सब नॉन फाइनाइट होते हैं. So let us come to the verb over here, started. Do we have a subject before the verb started? Started के पहले subject है. Can you see a subject before the verb started? I can see a lot of yeses. Yes. We can see it, right? So started is your finite verb. Simple as that. Acha, also tell me what is the tense of the verb started? What tense does it show? What tense does it show? Started. Very good, Hitesh. Very good, Advika. Very good, Amberlin. Very good, Devane. Very good, people. This shows simple past tense. Someone said present tense. Baba, please go and revise the tenses lecture that I had done with you. Go to YouTube, find the tenses lecture, revise it once. थोड़ा और clarity मिलेगा आपको. Started is simple past tense. So I just said a verb that shows present, past, or future tense is a finite verb. Simple words में, okay? Now let's go to take. Do you see a subject before the verb to take? क्या to take के पहले कोई भी subject दिख रहा है आपको? नहीं दिख रहा है, right? Okay, there are some students asking me, sir, where to put the message? You are supposed to message on the Adhyayan tutorials profile. You're not supposed to message on the Dhruv Joshi profile. You will message on the Adhyayan tutorials profile. Simple, clear. Okay. So my question was, can you see any subject or a noun or a pronoun before the verb to take? No, right? So this is your non-finite verb. Okay. And टू प्लस वर्ब टेक जो है उसके लिए टू है. टू प्लस वर्ब है. टू प्लस वर्ब इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड इन्फिनिटिव एंड इन्फिनिटिव इज अ नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब. नाउ लेट अस गो टू बिकमिंग. बिकमिंग के पहले डू यू सी अ सब्जेक्ट? बिकमिंग के पहले डू यू सी अ सब्जेक्ट? कैन यू सी अ सब्जेक्ट बिफोर बिकमिंग? नो, राइट? You can't see any subject before becoming. Okay. Can you tell me what tense does becoming show? Present, past, future. कौन सा tense बताता है becoming? Okay, मुझे सब बोल रहे हैं present, 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 but let me tell you students, becoming cannot show tense on its own. Becoming अकेला tense नहीं बता सकता है. एक verb plus ing आपको tense तभी ही बता सकता है अगर उसके पहले am, is, are, was, were हो. Okay. If a verb plus ing has am, is, are, was, were before it, only then it can show you the tense, or else it cannot tell you what tense is it. So now, do you see am, is, are, was, were before becoming? Do you now see am, is, are, was, were before becoming? No, right? तो यहाँ पर verb plus ing, becoming अकेला एक verb plus ing है, उसके पहले कोई am, is, are, was, were नहीं है, कोई subject नहीं है. So even becoming is your non-finite verb. Okay. So here, what do we learn in this sentence? We learn that the verb started is the finite verb because it shows past tense and also has a subject before it. To take is an infinitive, it's a non-finite verb, does not have a subject, does not show tense, and becoming is also non-finite because it does not have a subject and it does not show tense. Is this clear to everyone? If it is clear, just write a yes in the chat. If it is clear to all of you, write a yes in the chat. Message me on the Adyan Tutorials profile. Nobody messages me on the Dhruv Joshi profile. And if you have a doubt, raise your hand. अगर कोई डाउट है तो हाथ ऊपर करें. Okay, I do not see anyone putting their hands up. I see a lot of yeses. I see a lot of no doubts. Okay, everyone, I request you to note down whatever you see on the screen right now. जो भी आपको स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा है उसको जल्दी से लिख लीजिए. And once you are done, raise your hands. एक बार लिख के हुआ तो हाथ ऊपर कर देना. Come on, everyone. Once you're done, raise your hands. Please be a little quick. Okay, everyone. So I see a lot of people are done. So I would not want to waste more time. We will move further. ठीक है. Now we come to these sentences over here. All right. Guys, can you all see the sentences? Can you all see all the three sentences? तीनों के तीनों दिख रहे हैं? Some people say नहीं दिख रहा है, some people say दिख रहा है. Now can you see everyone? The first sentence is not completely seen, right? Okay. Okay, now can you see it? Yes, now it is visible. Okay. Chalo, now tell me. Okay, I now want people to raise their hands if they want to participate in the question and answers. Raise your hands if you want to be a part of the questioning and answering. Okay. As always, I see Hitesh's hand first. So we'll ask Hitesh to unmute. Hi, Hitesh.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Hitesh. Hitesh, but tell me, what are the verbs that you see in the sentence?
Sir, first is reaching and second is saw.
Okay, so we have two verbs called reaching and saw. Now, tell me, Hitesh, saw जो verb है वो finite है कि non-finite है?
Sir, it is a finite verb.
And how can you say that? How can you be so sure?
Sir, because before saw, Abhijit is the subject and saw is in the past tense.
Okay, so I hope everyone is listening to what Hitesh is saying. He is just giving me the answers that I expect of all of you. Okay, so यही इसका justification है. Saw sir एक तो past tense है, तो tense दिखा रहा है. दूसरा उसके पहले subject है, तो वो दोनों methods से वो finite verb है. Okay, and what about reaching, Hitesh?
Sir, reaching is an infinite verb.
Non-finite verb.
Yes, sir, non-finite verb.
Okay, and why do you think it's non-finite?
Because first it has no subject
All right.
and sir, I don't know about the tense because it is
Okay,
in present tense, but
no, it is not in present tense. Listen, Nitish. If you remember, मैंने बताया था अगर verb plus ing है आपके पास verb plus ing तो उसके पहले
yes,
am is are was were है तो ही को tense दिखा सकता है नहीं तो वो अकेले tense नहीं दिखा सकता याद
okay,
आया
sir. Yes, sir.
right so with that method also reaching is a non-finite verb so Hitesh tell me in this entire sentence how many finite verbs do you see
One.
one so remember everyone a sentence with one finite verb is a simple sentence a sentence with one finite verb is a simple sentence. Thank you so much, Hitesh.
Welcome, sir.
All right, everyone remember a sentence with just one finite verb is a simple sentence. It is extremely important for all of us to know कि simple compound complex पहचानते कैसे हैं. Okay? चलिए अभी second वाले के लिए कौन आंसर देना चाहेगा? So I see Dhruv Modi from Vikroli. Dhruv, hi.
Yes, sir. Hello.
You are a deadly. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, Dhruv, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Dhruv, you are a deadly combination of Dhruv sir and Modi ji.
Thank you, sir.
All right. So, Dhruv, the second sentence is Abhijit called Daya and Daya came in a star. Can you tell me the verbs that you see?
Came, called,
All right.
and bus.
Bus. So, came and called, right? Okay. Now, called finite है या non-finite है?
Hello. Yes. Called is finite verb, and came is also a finite verb.
Okay. Why do you think both of them are finite verbs?
Because of came is like you showed in that example that that a verb plus
No. Listen to me, Dhruv. So, see, मैंने बोला था अगर आपके verb के पहले कोई subject है, कोई noun or pronoun है, तो वो finite verb होता है. दूसरा तरीका, if it shows present, past, future in a one tense. So now here called के पहले, do you have a subject?
Yes, sir.
Right. Came के पहले, do you have a subject?
Yes, sir.
And दोनों भी tense दिखा रहे हैं, simple past, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is why these
So
two.
it's finite verb.
Clear है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dhruv, please mute yourself. Thank you. So students, as you can see, we have
Thank
two
you, sir.
finite verbs over here. And these two sentences, if you see, are joined by a conjunction, that is and. And this is a coordinating conjunction. So a sentence with two finite verbs and a coordinator is a compound sentence. कोऑर्डिनेटर का लिस्ट आपको आगे मिल जाएगा, सो टेंशन मत लेना. As of now, just remember a sentence with two finite verbs and a coordinator is a compound sentence. Okay, who wants to try and answer the third sentence? You can raise your hands if you want to try another third one. Come on, students, I remember a couple of lectures ago, you people had promised that a lot of people will try and participate and put their hands up and all of that. I don't see that happening right now. I see just 3 hands right now. I have just 4 hands right now. Let me go to Shreya from Saidham. Hi, Shreya.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, Shreya, can you tell me the verbs that you see in the sentence?
Yes, sir. Meet and scratch. Meet, think, and scratch are the verbs.
Ah, okay. Abhi, meet के पहले, do you have a subject, a noun or a pronoun?
No, sir. Yeah, the pronoun. They is a pronoun.
Ah, yes.
So,
So meet क्या हो गया? What finite verb or non-finite verb is it?
finite verb.
Okay. अच्छा, now what about think? Think के पहले, do you have a subject?
No, sir. It is infinite verb.
Non-finite.
Non-finite
Non-
verb.
Yeah, no problem. And scratch के पहले, do you see a subject?
Yeah, sir. There is a pronoun.
Yes.
So
So
it is
scratch क्या हो
finite
गया?
verb. Finite verb.
So how many finite verbs do we have in this sentence?
2 finite verbs.
Okay. And also,
And
Shreya,
one. Yes.
do you see any connector, any linker in the sentence?
When they meet. No, sir.
Okay, okay. I'll tell you, आप शायद पहचान नहीं पाए. कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ.
So beta, there is a conjunction, a subordinating conjunction called when. Okay. जिसको हम subordinator बोलते हैं. जैसे and को coordinator बोलते हैं, वैसे when को
Yes.
subordinating conjunction बोलते हैं. So a sentence with 2 finite verbs and a subordinator is going to be a complex sentence.
Hello.
Yeah, Shreya, can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you understand बेटा मैंने क्या बताया अभी?
Your voice is lagging.
Is
Hello.
everyone else able to hear me properly? Shreya, I think there is a
Hello.
problem with your internet. All right. Had to mute Shreya because there was some problem with her internet. All right. So Shreya, if you're hearing me, you can rejoin or you can just wait for a couple of minutes and you'll be all right. So everyone, can you see this on your screen? A sentence with just one finite verb is simple. Sentence with 2 finite verbs plus a coordinator is compound. Sentences with 2 finite verbs and subordinator is complex sentence. Now I have certain questions to ask you. And these questions are based on the formula that you see on the screen. So भी आपको formula देख रहे हैं ना, उसी में आपके answers छुपे हुए हैं. So if someone wants to give it a try, you can raise your hands. Do not worry, answer गलत हो तो भी मैं help करूँगा. And I want to see a lot of hands up. I don't want to see just those typical hands up. Come on, raise your hands everyone. Let me see. Difficult questions नहीं पूछूंगा, simple questions पूछूंगा. आपके सामने होंगे वो questions वही पूछूंगा. Okay, let us go with Amberlyn from JB Nagar. Hi, Amberlyn.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Amberlyn, the questions I'm going to ask you are going to be very simple, okay? So
Okay,
do
sir.
not worry. And the answers are going to be in the formula. तो आपको खाली formula देकर answer करना है, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so my question to you is, अगर आपको एक simple sentence दिया है exam में, simple sentence,
Yes, sir.
okay? यानी उसमें क्या रहेगा?
A verb, a finite verb.
One finite, बराबर, okay. And the question is asking me to transform this simple sentence into compound. So tell me, how can we do that? What will we have to do now?
To add a conjunction
A coordinator, okay, that's perfect.
and 2 finite verbs.
Okay, so see everyone, I hope you're listening to Amberlyn. She's, the answering perfect. So यहाँ पर coordinator add करने बोल रहे हैं Amberlyn. और वो बोल रहे हैं कि हमको 2 फाइनाइट वर्ब्स चाहिए. अच्छा एम्बलिन, वी नीड 2 फाइनाइट वर्ब्स, राइट?
Yes, sir.
But I already have 1 finite verb in the question, right?
Yes.
So how many more finite verbs will I need?
One more.
Just 1. Simple answer. समझा क्या एम्बलिन?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your answer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, anyone else who wants to try and answer the second question that I will ask? It's going to be similar to this. I want to see some different people answering. Okay, I have Gargi from DN Nagar.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
Gargi.
Yes, sir.
Gargi, are you from St. Louis?
Yes, sir.
How was your exam?
So it was very easy.
It was very easy. Okay, great. Okay, Gargi,
Yes.
your answers are going to be in the formula. जैसे मैंने एम्बुलिन को पूछा वैसे सवाल आपको पूछने वाला हूँ, ठीक है?
Yeah.
If my question in the exam
Yes.
is a compound sentence,
Okay. Yes.
what will it consist of? क्या रहेगा उसके पास?
It will have finite verb and coordinator.
How many finite verbs?
2 finite verbs.
बराबर. Okay. Now, if the question is asking me to transform this compound sentence into complex, what changes will I have to make as per the formula?
The finite verb will remain, and the coordinator will go, and subordinator will come.
Perfect answer, Gargi. Perfect answer. Thank you so much. Please mute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
So guys, I'm sure आप सब सुन रहे हैं कितना easily एम्बुलिन ने और गार्गी ने आंसर दिया है ये. They are just looking at the formulae. Like Gargi was very smart. She says, sir, both the finite verbs will remain as they are. Why? क्योंकि मेरे को क्वेश्चन में पहले से 2 finite verbs दिया, तो मैं आंसर में आपस से मेहनत क्यों करूं? I will keep them as they are. I will just change one word, sir. I will take off the coordinator and add a subordinator. Okay. Raise your hands if someone else wants to answer this one. I already see some hands up. चलिए इस बार मौका देंगे, घाटकोपर से कोई हाथ ऊपर नहीं कर रहा है, इस बार मौका देंगे हम कृष्णा पांचाल को फ्रॉम विक्रोली. हाय कृष्णा.
Hi, sir.
हैप्पी जन्माष्टमी टू यू.
Same day, sir.
Okay, Krishna, I hope you heard the way the 2 girls answered.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my question to you is, if my question in the exam is a complex statement, what would it consist of?
It would consist of 2 finite verbs and 1 subordinator.
Okay. In case I am supposed to convert this complex sentence into a compound sentence, what changes will I have to make?
So the 2 finite verbs will remain same, and in place of subordinator, the coordinator will come.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much, Krishna.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now, if anyone else wishes to answer, they can raise their hands up. और भी सवाल हैं हमारे लिए आपके पास. घाट के ऊपर से कोई हाथ ऊपर नहीं कर रहा है यार, बुरा लग रहा है मेरे को. मुलुंड से, देवी दयाल से कोई हाथ ऊपर नहीं कर रहा है. चलिए जितने दिख रहे हैं उनमें से ही पूछ लेता हूँ. देन शुभ्रा सावंत फ्रॉम DN नगर. हाय शुभ्रा.
Hi, sir.
How was your exam, Shubhra? Shubhra, I think you are experiencing some internet problems.
Hello, sir. Am I audible now?
Yes, Shubhra, you are. Can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Shubhra, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
How was your exam, Shubhra?
I can't.
Okay, I think Shubhra is facing some connectivity issues. चलो यार कोई और भी हाथ ऊपर कर दो. घाटकोपर देवी दयाल कंपटीशन में बहुत पीछे है. Almost every center the students have answered. Only Ghatkopar, Devi Dayal and Chembur haven't answered. Chali, let me go with Ramandeep from JB Nagar. Ramandeep. Ramandeep, hi. Ramandeep, I can't hear you, buddy. चलिए रमनदीप को भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. So we will have to go with I just saw a name. Then let us go with Sneha from Saidam. Hi Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sneha, tell me, if my question is a compound sentence, what will it consist of?
Two infinite verbs and coordinator.
Two finite verbs and coordinator.
Yes.
Acha.
Finite
Now,
verbs.
if I am supposed to convert this sentence into a simple sentence, what are the changes that you think I'll have to make?
We just have to remove one finite verb and yes,
Coordinator.
coordinator. Yes, and we have to
Okay,
remove
thank
the
you so much.
coordinator.
Right. Thank you so much. Please mute yourself. So as you all heard, she says, Sir, हम लोग को सिंपल में सिर्फ एक फाइनाइट वर्ब चाहिए, पर हमारे पास दो हैं, तो हम एक फाइनाइट वर्ब को निकाल देंगे और कोऑर्डिनेटर ऐड करेंगे. कोऑर्डिनेटर भी निकाल देंगे. Now, how can you remove one finite verb? So there are a lot of ways. One, you can simply delete that verb and make the sentence. Second is that you can add a verb plus ing. जो verb रहेगा उसको verb plus ing कर दोगे तो वो non finite हो जाएगा. Okay, so I now want you all to focus on what I'm showing you next. Okay, nobody will write anything right now. I'll tell you what to write and when to write. Okay, so there's a question by Ishan. Sir, what if there is only one finite verb and a coordinator or subordinator? So Ishan, if there is one finite verb, it will not have a coordinator for sure. ठीक है? But subordinator हो सकता है. अगर subordinator रहता है और finite verb सिर्फ एक ही है, तो भी वो simple sentence ही रहेगा. Because it has one finite verb. Okay, it will still be a simple sentence. Good question, Ishan. Good question. Now, there are certain things that we are supposed to see. Up, there are four types of sentences that you might come across in simple compound complex. They are time related, sentences with opposite idea, sentences with a condition, and sentences with reasons. First understand is time related. Time related मतलब जहां पर दो actions हुई हैं, पहले एक हुई है, फिर दूसरी हुई है. In this case, you can see I dreamed of SRK, Kejo slapped me. If someone wants to try answering this, you can raise your hands up and I will give you this opportunity. चलिए फिर से हितेश के साथ जाएंगे क्योंकि सिर्फ हितेश ने ही हाथ ऊपर किया है. So Hitesh.
Yes, sir.
Hitesh, tell me what are the two verbs that you see in the sentences?
Sir, in the first sentence, the verb is dreamed, and in the second sentence, the verb is slapped.
Okay. Now, Hitesh, मेरे को क्या करने का है? इसको simple बनाना है मेरे को. बराबर. So what is my requirement to make a sentence simple?
Sir, it should consist of only one finite verb.
Only one, but how many do I have?
Two.
Okay, so अभी दोनों में से किसी एक को मैंने non finite कर दिया तो मेरा काम हो जाएगा बराबर.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर मैं dreamed को ing लगाऊं तो क्या बन जाएगा?
Dreaming.
So if you begin your answer with dreaming, what will your answer be like?
I dreaming of SRK.
No, begin with dreaming. Begin with dreaming.
Dreaming of SRK.
हाँ आगे पढ़िए पूरा.
Kejo slapped me.
Yes, dreaming of SRK, comma, Kejo slapped me. You can also begin this sentence with on. On dreaming of SRK, Kejo slapped me. You can also start this sentence with after. After dreaming of SRK, Kejo slapped me. तो अगर आपको सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाना है तो आपको दोनों में से किसी भी एक वर्ब को या तो ing लगाना है या तो उसको डिलीट कर देना और आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है. ओके हितेश, let us make the same sentence into a compound sentence. What are my requirements for a compound sentence?
Sir, it should consist of two finite verbs and a coordinator.
Okay, what are my two finite verbs?
Dreamed and slapped.
Dreamed and slapped. Now we have to add one coordinator. Now, because our sentence is a time related sentence, the coordinator that we can use in the compound sentence is and. Okay, Hitesh,
Yes,
try
sir.
and join this sentence using and.
I dreamed of SRK and Kejo slapped me.
Okay, Hitesh, tell me, do you see two finite verbs in my compound sentence?
Yes, sir.
Do you see a coordinator?
Yes, sir.
Can I say that my requirement of a compound sentence is fulfilled?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is how you make a sentence compound. Okay, अभी complex पे जाएंगे हितेश. How many finite verbs do we need for a complex sentence?
2.
And what else do we need instead of a coordinator?
We need a subordinator.
Okay, do I already have the two finite verbs?
Yes, sir.
So कौन सा subordinator यहाँ पे add कर सकते हैं? We can add a when or an after. Time है ना, time related, तो when या after. Begin your sentence with when.
When I dreamed of SRK, Kejo slapped me.
And begin your answer with after.
After I dreamed of SRK, Kejo slapped me.
Yes. So now once again, how many finite verbs do you see in this answer?
2.
Do you have a subordinator?
Yes.
Can I say this is fulfilling the requirement for a complex sentence?
Yes, sir.
That is how you convert it. Is it clear, Hitesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone, is this clear to you? Everyone, you can write a yes to me in the chat. Clear है तो yes लिखो. Doubt है तो हाथ ऊपर करो. Clear है तो yes लिखो. Doubt है तो हाथ ऊपर करो. Okay. I do not see anyone putting their hands up. That is great. Let us go to this one now. Opposite ideas. एक ही sentence में दो opposite ideas होते हैं. All right. Mr. Bean is silent. He is expressive. Raise your hands if you want to try and answer this question just the way Hitesh did. जैसे हितेश ने आंसर किया वैसे ही. Okay. I see Manmeet from Saidham. I see Mritul. चलो मृतुल ना बता हटा दिया. Let's go with Manmeet from Saidham. Hi Manmeet.
Yes, sir.
Manmeet, can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Manmeet. So tell me the two finite verbs in the sentence that is there on the screen.
Sir, silent and expressive.
Don't you think silent and expressive are describing words, describing
Is
the noun Mr. Bean? हाँ, good.
is
Silent और expressive जो है वो adjective है. तो हमारे
Yes.
दोनों sentence में जो verb है वो is और is है. बराबर?
yes.
Okay. दोनों finite verbs क्यों है मालूम है क्या मनमीत? Because दोनों के पहले subject है
Yes.
and दोनों भी present tense दिखा रहे हैं तो they are finite.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I have two finite verbs, Manmeet, but I want to convert this into a simple sentence. So what is my requirement for a simple sentence?
Only one finite verb.
But I have two, right?
Yes, sir.
तो मैंने क्या मेथड दिया क्या करने का दूसरे को? Remember I told you to convert it into non-finite by adding it an ing.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन इसको ing ऐड करेगा तो क्या बनेगा? Ising?
That's
नहीं बनेगा ना ising.
no, sir.
So I want everyone to now remember. Now you will not write this table, okay? ये table आपको homework में लिखना है. तो जब भी आप ये homework लिखते रहेंगे, तभी याद रखना जब मेरा ये आप बात सुनेंगे. The ing form of am, is, are, was, were is being. You will write this not now during your homework. जब मैं ये बोलूँगा recording में, the ing form of am, is, are, was, were is being. तो आप ये अपने table में note करके रख देंगे. So मनमीत, दोनों में से किसी एक वर्ब को ing करना है तो क्या बन जाएगा ing इसका?
Be, sir, being
Being.
will come.
हाँ, being will come. Now, because this is opposite ideas, your simple sentence will begin with in spite of and being. ing यानी being आएगा, तो आंसर क्या बनेगा बेटा?
Sir, in spite of being silent,
पूरा आंसर तो बोलो.
he is expressive.
Who is he?
Mr. Bean.
हाँ, तो भी पूरा सही से बोलो.
In spite of being silent, Mr. Bean is expressive.
Perfect. समझ में आया क्या मनमीत?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Manmeet, let us try and transform this into a compound sentence. What are my requirements for a compound sentence?
So two finite verb and a coordinator. conjunction.
Coordinator. Very good. Okay, do I have two finite verbs?
Yes, sir.
क्या क्या है बेटा?
What, sir?
What are my two finite verbs?
Sir,
Is and is. Okay. So I already have two finite verbs. अब मुझे एक coordinator ऐड करना है. Opposite ideas के लिए coordinator जो हम use कर सकते हैं वो हैं इतने सारे. But yet still, however. So rewrite the sentence using but. क्या आंसर बनेगा मनमीत?
Mr. Bean is silent, but he is expressive.
Can you also join the sentence by using yet?
Mr. Bean is silent, yet he is expressive.
Try it with still.
Mr. Bean is silent, still he is expressive.
Try with however.
Mr. Bean is silent, however, he is expressive.
समझा मनमीत?
Yes, sir.
So everyone, this is for all of you. ये चारों भी जो हैं आपके coordinators हैं for opposite ideas. आप चारों में से कोई भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay, Manmeet. Now tell me what is my requirement for a complex sentence?
Sir, two finite verbs and a subordinator.
Okay, what are my two finite verbs?
Is.
And I need a subordinator here. Opposite ideas में your subordinators could be though or although or even though. Begin the sentence with though and join the sentence.
Though Mr. Bean is silent, he is expressive.
Try with although.
Although Mr. Bean is silent, he is expressive.
Try with even though.
Even though Mr. Bean is silent, he is expressive.
Is this clear to you, Manmeet?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया पक्का?
Yes.
Simple है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Manmeet. Well answered. All right, everyone. If this is clear to all of you, write a yes in the chat. If you have a doubt, you can raise your hands. अगर clear है, see, I am going extremely slow. बहुत slow जा रहा हूँ मैं. I don't want to rush. I don't want you people to face problems. आराम से जाएंगे हम. कोई घाई नहीं है. कोई doubt है तो raise your hands. I'll answer your doubts. As of now, I don't see any doubt. So, raise your hands if you want to try the next sentence, that is conditions. जैसे हितेश ने किया, जैसे मनमीत ने किया. If you want to try and answer, this is the only way, this is the only opportunity that you have to try and understand this topic even better. Shubhra, अच्छा वापस से शुभ्रा का हाथ चला. Shubhra, I am trying you. I hope your internet connection is fine this time. Shubhra,
Hello, sir.
yeah, am I audible to you now?
Yes, sir.
So I was asking you, how was your exam today?
Sir, very easy.
पक्का?
हाँ.
चलो ठीक है. Now Shubhra, this is a sentence. Do your homework, you will be punished. Tell me what are the verbs that you see? शुभ्रा, क्या verbs दिख रहा है बेटा सेंटेंस में? देखो ना आपके सामने कंडीशंस वाले में.
Do and will.
Very good, very good. Do and will be punished. चलेगा, will पकड़ लेते हैं. अच्छा, now I want to make this simple, Shubhra. So what is my requirement for a simple sentence?
One finite verb.
But I have two over here, right?
Yes, sir.
तो एक को निकालना पड़ेगा, एक को नॉन फाइनाइट करना पड़ेगा. तो ing करेंगे. तो do का ing क्या हो जाएगा? What is do plus ing?
Doing.
Doing. And you have to begin your sentence with without. Why? Because this is a conditional sentence. So begin your sentence with without and add doing. बताओ बताओ आंसर क्या होगा?
Without doing your homework. you will be punished.
That is absolutely perfect, Shubhra. Now, Shubhra, let us make this compound. What are my requirements for a compound sentence?
Two finite verb plus coordinator.
What are my two finite verbs?
Will be punished.
हाँ वो तो एक हो गया, एक और है ना? अच्छा शुभ्रा सुनो सुनो बेटा मेरा बात, ये जो सिंपल सेंटेंस है ना हमारे पास, विदाउट डूइंग योर होमवर्क यू विल बी पनिश्ड, ये पूरे सेंटेंस में वी हैव ओनली वन फाइनाइट वर्ब विल बी पनिश्ड, राइट?
Yes, sir.
बट वी नीड टू फाइनाइट वर्ब्स इन कंपाउंड.
Yes, sir.
तो जैसे हमने डूइंग को नॉन फाइनाइट किया, वैसे डूइंग का आईएनजी निकाल के उसको फाइनाइट भी तो कर सकते हैं ना बेटा.
Yes, sir.
तो डूइंग का आईएनजी निकाल दूंगा तो क्या बन जाएगा वो?
Do.
तो रीराइट द सेंटेंस जॉइनिंग इट विद और, क्या बनेगा सेंटेंस?
Or do your
नहीं नहीं बेटा, डोंट बिगिन विथ और बीच में आएगा, बिगिन विद
you
डू.
will be punished. Do your homework or you will be punished.
Yes, that's your answer. Okay. अच्छा, now what is my requirement for a complex sentence?
Two finite verb plus subordinator.
Okay, यहाँ पर हम subordinator use कर सकते हैं if या unless. Begin your sentence with if.
If you do your homework, if you do your homework, you will be punished.
Don't you think sentence का meaning change हो रहा है शुभ्रा? Homework करोगे तो punishment मिलेगा.
Yes, sir.
So can you add a not? Will not करके बताओ ना, will not. Shubhra, can you hear me?
If you do your homework, you will not be punished.
Ah, that's the correct answer. If you do your homework, you will not be punished. Or you can say if you do not do your homework, you will be punished. Or you can say unless you finish your homework, you will be punished. Thank you so much, Shubhra. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Please mute yourself. If this is clear to everyone, you will all raise your hands. If it is clear to you, you will write yes. If it is not clear, you have a doubt, you will raise your hands. Clear है तो yes लिखेंगे, डाउट है तो हाथ ऊपर करेंगे. Okay, everyone is clear. Now this is the last chance if someone wants to try and understand this topic even more closely. Last chance. Raise your hand if you want to try this. पूरे के पूरे लेक्चर में देवी दयाल और चेंबूर से कोई भी नहीं था, और घाटकोपर भी. Such a big sentence, center Ghatkopar, but nobody wants to answer. Chaliye, this time we will go with Dhruvi from DN Nagar. Hi Dhruvi.
Hi, sir.
How was your exam? How was your exam, Dhruvi? Yes. कैसा था exam आपका?
It's good.
Okay. So Dhruvi, now we are going on to the next type of sentence, that is reason. जिसमें reason कारण दिखता है कि मैं late था क्योंकि मेरी train छूट गई. I was late. I couldn't catch the train. Tell me the two finite verbs that you see in the sentences. Dhruvi, I can't hear you, beta. You have to be a little louder. What are the two finite verbs, Dhruvi?
Was and the.
बेटा the verb थोड़ी होता है, couldn't catch है. Couldn't catch is your verb.
Okay.
Okay. अभी I want to make this simple. What is my requirement for a simple sentence? क्या चाहिए simple sentence के लिए? Simple sentence में क्या होता है बेटा? How many finite verbs? How many finite verbs? Others, you can answer me on the chat. Yes, one finite verb. Good. अभी मुझे दो फाइनाइट वर्ब में से किसी एक को अगर आईएनजी करना है तो वॉस का आईएनजी क्या हो गया? मैंने क्या बताया था? एम इज आर वॉज का आईएनजी क्या होता है?
Wasn't.
नहीं बेटा, आईएनजी बेटा। एम इज आर वॉज का आईएनजी फॉर्म क्या होता है? मैंने बताया था मिस्टर बीन वाले सेंटेंस में। देखो आपके मिस्टर बीन वाले सेंटेंस में देखो ऊपर ही है, इन स्पाइट ऑफ के बाजू में क्या है?
Of.
इन स्पाइट ऑफ के बाजू में क्या है
Silent.
बेटा? ये देखो ना, मेरा कर्सर को देखो,
Being sorry.
बीइंग। हाँ, तो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट दिस सेंटेंस बाय बीइंग, ऑन बीइंग। तो आंसर क्या बनेगा बेटा? स्टार्ट करो ऑन बीइंग से।
Being I wasn't late. I couldn't catch the train.
बेटा आपको शुरू करना है ऑन बीइंग लेट से। ऑन बीइंग लेट क्या बनेगा आंसर? बेटा आ गया आंसर स्क्रीन पे, देखो रीड करो।
Being late, I couldn't catch the train.
समझा क्या ध्रुवी?
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी एक और देखेंगे। अभी सिंपल के लिए मुझे, सॉरी, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस के लिए क्या चाहिए अपने को? What is our requirement for a compound sentence? How many finite verbs? Two finite verbs. Good. और एक चीज लगेगी अपने को, क्या लगेगा? Two finite verbs and a coordinator. तो यहाँ पर you can join the two sentences with so. क्या आंसर बनेगा बेटा? दोनों sentences को so से join करो। ध्रुवी, I think she's got disconnected. Others, you can answer me. Come on, quickly in the chat. जल्दी से चैट में बताओ मेरे को, चैट में बताओ मेरे को। कम ऑन, join the sentence with so. Yes, the answer is I was late, so I couldn't catch the train. I was late, so I couldn't catch the train. Okay, now to make this complex, I need to add a subordinator. I can add as, since, because. Everyone, use as and tell me the sentence. क्या बनेगा आंसर? Use as. Use as. As I was late, I couldn't catch the train. Okay, everyone, use since. Use since. Use since. Yes, since I was late, I couldn't catch the train, or I couldn't catch the train since I was late. Both the answers are correct. And rewrite using because. I see many people giving me the answer as because I was late, I couldn't catch the train. Let me tell you, all your answers are incorrect. You cannot start the sentence with because. You cannot start the sentence with because. The answer is going to be I couldn't catch the train because I was late. And Shubhra Lad from Deer Nagar is the first person to give the correct answer. And then we have Manmeet from Saidam. I couldn't catch the train because I was late. Okay, everyone. So guys, with that, we are done with simple, compound, and complex. Your homework is to write this slide. ये पूरा slide आपने लिखना है. ये पूरा slide आपको लिखना है. ये homework है आपका. और ये पूरा table आपको बनाना है. ये homework है आपका. Do not forget to write a little note. The ing form of am, is, are, was, were is being. ये note लिख देना जब भी आप इसको लिखोगे. That is your homework. I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope you understood what was taught to you today. I hope I tried and made it simple and you do not have any difficulties in this topic anymore. Okay. चलो, thank you so much everyone. Take care. Stay safe. घर के बाहर मत जाना. अपना ध्यान देना. अच्छा खाना खाना. And take care of yourself. Bye.